Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you a beautiful bags in one color and different designs. In this video of me, you will see a very beautiful bags. Those bags are very beautiful, unique and stylish. All these bags are made of wool. These bags can use everywhere, choose as in office, parties, wedding, Christmas parties. I hope you will like this video. They can make beautiful bags, ups, or anyone can make them. In this video, I will show you beautiful designs bags and has one color. All my friends can benefit from this video from of me. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I try my best. I am trying to share good videos for all my friends. From this, I need your help and support. If you like my video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos. Share your friends and your relatives